I'm Beth from the Science on the Road department at Carnegie Science Center. Welcome to our Something to Watch series, where we offer fun and educational science videos for kids, parents, and teachers. Right now, like the rest of my Science Center team, I'm at home practicing social distancing. But for the next 2 minutes, let's explore sound. My video is titled A Kazoo for You, and today we'll make an instrument, a kazoo, using the science of sound and some materials you have right in your own home. In order to understand how the kazoo will work, you'll have to know something about sound. All the sounds we hear are caused by vibrations, from beautiful music to dogs barking and babies crying. A vibration happens when an object or item moves back and forth very rapidly. Your vocal cords vibrate to produce the sounds of speech. Try putting 2 fingers gently on your throat like this, and then say ah, ah, ah several times. Could you hear or feel your vocal cords vibrating? This wide rubber band will vibrate inside your kazoo. That's what will make the sound and music. In order to make your kazoo, you'll need a few items. You'll need 2 craft sticks, 2 thin rubber bands, 1 wide rubber band, an 8.5 by 11-inch sheet of paper. Mine is green, but yours can be any color. You'll need some clear tape, a ruler, and a pair of scissors. To start making your kazoo, take one of the craft sticks, take the wide rubber band, and stretch it over the stick lengthwise, just like that. Take your piece of paper and cut 2 strips of paper 1 inch wide by 4 inches long. Take the second craft stick, the one that's empty, and tape one of the sheets of paper to one end of the craft stick about 1/2 inch away from the edge of the stick. Then wrap the paper around the stick and secure it in place with tape. Now, take the other piece of paper and do the same thing to the other end of the stick. There we go. I'll secure that with some tape. We're almost finished. Take both sticks and place them one on top of the other, just like a sandwich. To hold the 2 sticks together, take a thin rubber band and wrap it around one end of the craft stick. You'll have to wrap it several times. And then around the other end of the stick. Hooray! You've finished your kazoo. Now it's time to make some music. Take the kazoo and hold it near your lips, with your lips in the center of the stick between the pieces of paper. Now blow in the slit between the sticks. Wow! When you blew air through the sticks, the wide rubber band vibrated. That's what made the sound. Now you can have more fun and do more science by experimenting with your kazoo. See if you can move the strips of paper closer together or add an extra strip of paper to both ends of the sticks. Does that change the sound? That's all for now. Thank you for letting me share some science, some fun, and a kazoo with you. Remember that you can do many more things and see many more things with sound at Carnegie Science Center when we reopen. Log on to carnegiesciencecenter.org for more things to read, to watch, and to do at home. Thanks. Bye.